Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here at the State Theater where we are going to be checking out this really amazing old theater that will be revamped in about 6 years to a completely new facility. But for now, we're going to take a tour of old Hong Kong movie theater here using the Mi 11 Ultra vlog style, guys. Let's have a look. And what an amazing place this was. You know, if you love just old retro stuff, they have preserved so far this place just like it was so many years ago with the classic movie posters. And look at this now showing sign right when you're getting into the theater. These are the original types of tickets you would get, and the pricing is also original as well. And they had a room of classic old tech. Kind of reminds me of my April Fool's joke, but you know what? All of this stuff is the type of tech that was really existing back in the day when this theater was just getting started. And sharing some of the shots here I took with the Mi 11 Ultra, the history of North Point, which has grown up so much over time and used to be quite a night spot here with the Ritz Hotel and so many other venues people used to frequent back in the day. And sharing here the desk of Mr. Odell, the original theater owner who actually kind of propelled this theater to bring some of the greatest artists in terms of music to Hong Kong. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Benny Goodman, but I'm a huge fan, and there were great musicians who made their appearance here at the State Theater. Now, the Mi 11 Ultra, I gotta say, was just incredible for this location, especially because of these low light shots. It was a much darker venue than it seems, and look at these incredible looking trusses. It's this iconic concrete truss design that makes this State Theater one of the unique pieces of architecture in the city. And this was really one of the cultural center points of Hong Kong back in the day. Just an incredible piece of modernist architecture and a blast from the past. All the classic music from a previous era here at the State Theater. And look at these zoom shots, guys. You can easily see so much detail at 5x and 10x on this Mi 11 Ultra. It's just incredible. And classic cassettes, I don't miss unwinding those. You know, it's pretty amazing seeing all this history. It's almost like a walking back in time capsule. And, you know, there's some stuff in here that's been preserved for decades. And this theater has been around for so long that you just kind of just feel the history around you. But of course, they've done it in a very cool way with this lighting. And I gotta say, it's just incredible to see all of this kind of old world Hong Kong coming back to life. And then we went into the deeper sections of this theater. This used to be an arcade for shopping, but even then they did it in a very unique style, and it was just like a time capsule. This hairdresser, it's just incredible, guys. Left in a moment in time, and they have preserved this thing for now with the original seating, the original artwork, and with the Mi 11 Ultra you can see how recently this hairdresser was still in business. January 2018. Seriously, guys, it's incredible. And looking at this darker hallway here, I just love the mood lighting, and it was all highlighted so well with the Mi 11 Ultra. And here's an image of what the ticket would look like when you went to the theater back in the day. And you would not believe, guys, some of the iconic movies in Hong Kong history that debuted here, but also international hits like Ben-Hur made their appearance at this theater, with classic movie posters and a movie that you may have heard of, Fist of Fury. That's right, some Bruce Lee movies made their debut at this State Theater in Hong Kong. And you truly felt a part of the history and of the movies, the iconic movies he brought to the silver screen in this theater. So just incredible, just details like the outfits that people wore, the ushers wore, and the seating itself. This is the original model of the complex. But since then, the upper levels had been turned into a snooker table area, and the theater has gone into disrepair. That's why it's so exciting that New World Development has set their eyes on this iconic location, and they will be revamping and renovating this entire theater to make it a brand new cultural hub for Hong Kong in the next 5 years. And I can't wait to see the finished result. An incredible tour at the State Theater in Hong Kong. So all in all, guys, an amazing tour of the State Theater and looking back at the history of just old Hong Kong and this theater that will be renovated and be an amazing cultural location here in the city. And shout out to this Mi 11 Ultra. It did a great job as well. I really enjoyed the quality of the shots, and in this very low light setting, I think it did above and beyond what I expected for this phone. But hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on just kind of old historical venues like this? And how do you think the Mi 11 Ultra did in this vlog style video here on Frankie Tech? So that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for future updates. Stay tuned, guys, for more great content here coming up. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.